Thank you for purchasing Smart zunpulse camera. How to set up your smart camera? Download the zunpulse app on Play Store or App Store. Log in or register from your phone number. Click on Add Device and select the smart camera. Open the reset rubber cap. Reset the smart camera by long pressing on the button attached with it. You will hear a prompt.
Reset. Camera report.
Now click Next. Enter details of your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and click Next. You will hear a voice prompt.
Wait for Wi-Fi prompting.
Your device is ready to get paired. Now we will start scanning the QR code. Place the QR code in front of the camera. Once the device is scanned, you will hear a prompt sound.
Connect router.
Or wait for a while. You will again hear a prompt sound
Device connected. Connect internet.
and the device will be connected. Name your smart device and click on Done. The smart device will appear on the home screen. Now you are ready to use the zunpulse smart camera.